If you've been following this channel for a while, you'll know that my plan was to get the car done for my birthday. Well, that was now about 2 weeks ago. Losing the garage kind of put paid to those plans. Not only did I not have the space to work, but actually had to spend a huge amount of time moving out of the garage and getting everything into storage in time for the end of my lease. On top of that, as you've seen, I've been pretty busy, so it's only now that I've got the time to work on the car again. And I've accepted that I'm not going to find another garage like that one, not at a price that I can afford to rent. So it's back to working on the driveway for now. I am going to get a garage again. I'm saving up to buy one, but barring a lottery win, that's going to take a couple of years. And so in the meantime, the car's coming back to the driveway. First of all, I'm going to get it moving, then I'm going to get it MOT'd, then I'm going to get it painted. But that disguises a lot of complexity. There's really quite a lot to do. In fact, there's a huge list. First of all, I just want to get it driving again with very little alteration to the state it's in. I'll probably be a bit of a bodge, but it'll make moving it much easier. Then I'm going to move it to the driveway and fix a few things while it's there. Things that need doing in order for it to pass its MOT. Got to believe. Now, I already know that this list isn't quite complete, partly because I've started inserting other things already, beginning with the next project. I've been sat on the parts for the next project for some time. As many of you will know, I've now actually bought 2 cars for the next project already, and various things have held it up, like me blowing up motors and pulling the car off the road for the body swap. But I want to get the drivetrain and all the electronics sorted for the next project so that when it comes to take it apart, rip out the engine and swap the new stuff in, it's a much quicker process. So I'm going to be doing that down here in the cellar, albeit it might take some help to shift the 90 kilo IS300H motor down here. There's also DIY EV chat, of course. I'd really like to make some more episodes of that. People seem to really like it and appreciate it. If you do have an EV that you've built yourself, please do come on the channel. Drop me a line via Open Inverter. Just Google Tom Cheeser if you need to find another way to contact me. There's only one of me to my knowledge, or that's not true. There aren't many of us, and I'm probably the most high profile one in my day job. So just Google me, find the contact form on my website or at projects.tc. Drop me a line. I'd love to have you on the podcast. So that's it. That's the plan. Although, to paraphrase Helmut von Moltke, no plan survives contact with reality. So you know it will go wrong, and we may not hit the my sort of intended deadline, which is to get the car all sorted, painted up and finished in time for an EV event over in Yorkshire in September. That will mean having the second battery pack and fast charging ideally in order to get there. So we'll see whether that's feasible. But certainly I'd really like to be driving a painted car this year, if at all possible. It also requires me making some more money, but you know, cross that bridge when we get to it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoy the videos to come, of which I hope there'll be many on a slightly more regular schedule again. If you like it, please do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.